Hi students, these questions are from quadratic equations. Okay, so here the question is which of the following quadratic equations has sum of its roots as 4 they have asking. So sum of its roots has 4. Okay, so 4 options they have given students coming to a bit. So 2x square minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0 they have given. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 8. So sum of the zeros is minus b by a, that is equal to minus of minus 4 by 2. You will get 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, so a bit is the wrong answer. And coming to b bit, so a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. So minus b by a gives how much? Minus 4 by minus 1, that is equal to 4. Okay, we got 4 here. So in the b bit we got the answer as 4, isn't it? So B bit is the right answer. So no need to check now C and D because here itself we got the answer now. So option B is the right answer. Clear students? The next question is the value of k for which the quadratic equation. See, the quadratic equation is 2x square minus 10x plus k is equal to 0 has a real and equal roots. So if the quadratic equation has a real and equal roots, what is the discriminant, students? So write down the standard form first. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation and the value of a is 2 and value of b is minus 10 and the value of c is k. Now we have to find the value of k. Understood? So now if the quadratic equation is having real and equal roots, what is the discriminant? Discriminant is equal to 0. Means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So apply the values of b, a and c here. So minus 10 whole square minus 4 into 2 into k is equal to 0. So minus 10 whole square is 100. So minus 10 whole square is 100 students. So 4 into 2 is 8k, that is equal to 0. Now transpose minus 8k towards RHS side. It will become plus 8k. Means 0 plus 8k gives 8k. So transpose 8 here. 100 divided by 8 is equal to k. Understood? So solve this. So 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay. So therefore, the value of k will be equal to 25 divided by 2. Understand, students? Okay. The next question is x is equal to 0.3 is a root of equation x square minus 0.9k is equal to 0. Okay. So the quadratic equation is given as x square minus 0.9k is equal to 0. And the value of x they have given is 0.3. And they are asking us to find the value of k. Clear, students? Now what we have to do? Apply the value of a in our equation. So 0.3 whole square minus 0.9k will be equal to 0. So what is the value of 0.3 whole square? 0.3 into 0.3. 3 3s are 9. How many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So the answer is 0.09 minus 0.9k will be equal to 0. Now transpose, students, 0.09 will be equal to plus 0.9k and 0.09 divided by 0.9 will be equal to k. Now how to solve this, students? Check the decimal places. In numerator we have 2 decimal places. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Clear? In order to solve easily, I am explaining like this. That is equal to k. Okay. Now 0.09 into 100 gives 9 and 0.9 into 100 gives 90. Okay. So 9 divided by 90 gives, the common factor is 9. So 1 by 10. Okay. So what is the value of k, students? 1 divided by 10 gives 0.1. Okay. So the value of k is 0.1. Hi students. The next question is, it is about assertion and reason. Okay. The polynomial p of x. What is the polynomial they have given here? X square plus 3x plus 3 has two real zeros. So they are telling for this polynomial is having two real zeros. So let us check whether we can have two real zeros or not. Write the standard form, students. Ax square plus bx plus c. And what is the value of a? That is equal to 1. What is the value of b? That is equal to 3. And what is the value of c? That is equal to 3. So what is the product a into c? It is also 3. And the value of b is also 3. Okay. So we have to take the values of 3x. We have to split this 3x in such a way that the product should be plus 3 and the sum should be plus 3. Is it possible to get like that, students? No. Okay. So this polynomial will not have p of x will not have two zeros, two real zeros. Clear? So what is the assertion? This is true or false? This is false. Okay. And next, coming to reason. The quadratic polynomial can have at most two real zeros. So this, see, the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, isn't it? So ax square plus bx plus c, this is the standard form. Its degree is 2. Its degree is 2. Degree is 2 means how many solutions it will have? It will have two solutions. Okay. Means it will have two real zeros. Okay. So this reason is true. Understood, students? So assertion is false here and reason is true. Okay. Next question, students. So this is about case study question. This is about case study. So this one you will get in section E, isn't it? Case study question, students. So how many zeros are there for the polynomial represented in the graph given? See, this polynomial is touching the x-axis at how many points? 2 points. Okay. Then how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros will be there. Okay. So if the graph is touching on the x-axis, how many points? 2 points. So it is having two zeros. Is it clear, students? Then what are the zeros of the polynomial they are asking? See, at what points do our polynomial, our graph is touching on the x-axis, students? This is, they have given minus 7 comma 0 and 7 comma 0. Okay. So what are the two answers? Plus 7 comma minus 7. Okay. This means what? X is equal to 7 and also x is equal to minus 7. Did you understand, students? Now coming to third bit, students. So here they have given the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b. Okay. So immediately write down the standard form ax square plus bx plus c and write down the coefficients. So the value of a is 1 here. Okay. And the value of b is a plus 1 here and the value of c is b. Okay, the constant term is b in our given polynomial. And also they have given the zeros, means alpha they have given 2 and beta they have given minus 3. Okay, so now how to solve, how to find a and b? We know that alpha plus beta sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. So alpha is how much, students? 2 plus of beta is minus 3, that is equal to minus of b is how much? Minus of a plus 1 by value of a is 1. Okay. Now we are going to solve for a. So 2 plus of minus 3 is 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus of a plus 1 by 1 is minus of a plus 1. Okay. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That is equal to minus a minus 1. Now transpose this minus 1 towards LHS side. It becomes plus 1. That is equal to minus a. So this is 0. That is equal to minus a. And therefore, the value of a is 0. Understood, students? Okay. Now coming to product of the zeros. Okay. We know that product of the zeros is equal to C by A. So what is alpha 2 and beta is minus 3. Value of C is B, students, divided by A. The value of A is 1. Understood? So 2 into minus 3 gives how much? 2 3s are 6 and positive into negative gives a negative result. So 2 3s are 6. B by 1 gives B. Understood? So the value of B is minus 6. Okay. Therefore, we got A 0 and B minus 6. Clear, students?